How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing a review on the small buddy heater, and I'm going to try to give you as much information about this thing as I possibly can. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is go over the box itself. 4,000 to 9,000 BTUs. Low setting and high settings. 4,000 to 9,000. So if you have it on low, you got 4,000 BTUs. On high, you're at 9,000 BTUs. Heats up to 225 square foot. Runs 5.4 hours on low. 2.4 hours on high. Indoor safe portable radiant heater. On the back of your heater, you can see this little section right here. You can hook this to a 20-pound propane tank. It gives you your hoses, your filter, and your part numbers. After you get your box opened up, you're going to find out. You're going to get your heater and your owner's manual. I would suggest going over your owner's manual, read it and understand it before getting started. If you look at the side of your heater where your propane tank goes, you'll see the regulator here. If you look right down in here, you'll see it has the part numbers for the hose and the filter for this to run on a 20-pound tank. On the back of your heater, you can see there's a lot of information on the back of this heater. It tells how to light it, hose sizes, safety precautions, everything is right here on the back. And another thing that's on the back is 2 keyhole slots. In case you decide you want to hang this on the wall, you can hang this heater right on the wall. One thing you won't get with your heater is a 1-pound propane tank. So we're going to go ahead and stick this tank in the heater and get it fired up. Come over to the right side of your heater. Pull your regulator out, slide your tank up on, and screw it on. Snug it up, but don't over tighten it. We're going to get ready to light our pilot light. What you're going to do is push down, turn it to pilot, and then press down. Hold it for a few seconds, and then light. Hold it down, let the thermocoupler warm up. About 30 seconds. Release your knob. Your buddy heater has low and high settings. We'll go ahead, push down, turn it to low. You can hear the heat. After just a few minutes with the heater on, you can see it's already starting to glow. We're going to turn this heater to high. Immediately you can see a change in the color. It's really thrown off a lot of heat right now. Now the nice thing about this little portable heater, you can take it anywhere and use it just about anywhere. We have used these in the house, we've used them in the garage, in tree stands, in our camper. There's a lot of places you can use this little buddy heater. Definitely a good alternate heat if your power goes out. If your power goes out and it gets really cold, this is something that can supplement that heat until you can get your heat back on. Now, will it heat a whole house? Absolutely not. It will heat a room. This one heats 225 square feet, so figure it out. It's about a 15 foot by 15 foot room. Good little heater. This one does not come with a fan. They do make fans that you can mount to the top of these that work off of the heat, does not take electricity. Pretty cool. I hope I did okay on that video. Now, if this is something you would like to purchase, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll make it easy on you. I'll put a link in the description down below the video, right down there. And I'll leave a link for the heater, the hose, and the filter that you'll need to hook this up to a 20-pound tank. I'm an Amazon associate, so I get a small commission off of qualifying purchases. And that's one way you can help out the channel without actually taking it out of your pocket, because it costs you no extra to buy it from my Amazon link than it does if you just went to Amazon and picked it up. I do appreciate those Amazon purchases off of there. So I would like to tell everyone, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Until next time.